And that is the moment when India have etched their name in history one more time with another ICC title in their closet. Big congratulations to Indian fans around the world. What a great day for Indian cricket today. This is incredible. Look at those images. This is how it went down. Dubai International Cricket Stadium erupts in celebration. Absolutely wonderful. This will be remembered for a long time, and this will inspire a whole new generation of cricketers from India. A big congratulations to Indian fans everywhere in the world joining us right now. Oh, it's time for you to start the party just like those three boys and those two boys right there. A big moment there. The two seniors, Rohit and Virat, must be very, very happy. Fireworks all around. This is how it went down. Look at that. The most ICC titles. Australia right on top, but look who's now at number 2. It is India right behind them and catching up fast. As I said, big congratulations to Indian fans and to Indian cricket worldwide. Hello and welcome to the DP World Dressing Room for the one last time this season. I'm Fakhar Alam. You're watching 10 Sports. Our continued coverage of the ICC Champions Trophy comes to an end tonight with this great news for Indian fans around the world that India has lifted the ICC Champions Trophy 2025. And with me to discuss it, to celebrate it, I've got 4 fantastic gentlemen in the DP World Dressing Room. First up, I've got a off-spinner, middle-order batsman, played for India, great broadcaster, has got some wonderful solitaires as earrings, as a fashion guru. Please welcome Nikhil Chopra. Good evening, congratulations, and welcome, Nikhil.
Good evening, Paji. Chak de phate.
Chak de pate, very burger style of saying that, but well done. Congratulations. Awesome. Next up, ladies and gentlemen, the legend himself, the toe-crushing, batsman terrorizing, golf swinging, the Naulakha of the DP World Dressing Room for the last time on this season. Please welcome Waqar Younis. Waqar, thank you very much, and good to have you again. Sorry,
thank you.
Yeah.
Congratulations to these boys. Chak pate.
Absolutely good. Next up, cricket royalty amongst us. He has been here, and this journey has been fantastic because of him. And you know what? Today, I give him special credit because he's been under the weather for the last 48 hours, but he's really put up with the whole thing and is still, always dedicated. He played in his career with diabetes, performed around the world, etched his name in cricket history, graced the grounds that he played in, and left so many golden memories for everybody. One of the greats of the game, Wasim Akram. Good evening. For one last time, welcome to the dressing room.
Thank you very much. Good evening, Fakhar. You've done a great job. Mubarak sabko, India ko especially, जो इंडिया में लोग हैं, जो पूरी दुनिया में रहते हैं, Indian fans, और of course जो मेरे 2 गेस्ट हैं यहाँ पे, बड़े स्पेशल गेस्ट, इस थोड़ी बाद में बात करते हैं, पहले इंट्रोडक्शन करा दिया.
And well done, because I know you're not feeling well, but thank you for keeping that smile and thank you for putting up with this. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, the real royalty, all the way from Jamnagar, the Jam in waiting. Outstanding batsman, represented India, gave them a lot of great memories, played well, gun fielder, and has absolutely been wonderful. And congratulations to him, Your Royal Highness, Ajay Jadeja.
Thank you.
आपको बहुत-बहुत मुबारक हो. Good evening and welcome.
बहुत शुक्रिया और सारे हिंदुस्तान को मुबारक हो. सारे क्रिकेटिंग फैंस जो हैं इस इंडियन टीम के, उनको मुबारक हो. और सबसे ज्यादा खुशी मिलती है कि जो कंसिस्टेंसी से खेले, जिस आसानी से जीत के गए, तो खुशियां डबल हो गई हैं.
ऐसे ही है.
और ये इंडियन जो टीम है, ये कहीं भी खेलती, ठीक है, काफ़ी लोगों ने बातें की, once decided कि इंडिया अपने मैच दुबई में खेलेगा. अगर ये पाकिस्तान भी खेलते, जो इनकी टीम है, ये वहाँ भी ऐसे जीते. 2024 का वर्ल्ड कप जीते ये विदाउट लूजिंग अ गेम.
Correct.
ये चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी जीते विदाउट लूजिंग इवन वन गेम. दैट शोज द डेप्थ इन देयर क्रिकेट. दैट शोज द लीडरशिप. अगर आपको याद हो, जब ये न्यूजीलैंड से 3-0 हारे हैं पाकिस्तान इंडिया, फिर बॉर्डर गवास्कर ट्रॉफी हारे हैं, फिर आई थिंक श्रीलंका से वनडे हारे हैं. बहुत प्रेशर था कि कप्तान हटाओ, कोच हटाओ, बट सैनिटी प्रिवेल्ड. बीसीसीआई ने कहा नहीं, हमने यही हमारा कप्तान है, यही हमारा कोच है, और अब देख लें, they're the champions of the champions.
Yeah,
incredible.
The results are there. Wasim, great that you started off this discussion right here. ये जरा पहले match summary देख लेते हैं. This is how the match summary is. Rohit Sharma again losing the toss. Jadu Paji said it'll be best if he does, and New Zealand winning the toss, elected to bat. It looked like by the 5th, 6th over that New Zealand were well on their way for a 270, 280 target. But unfortunately, they could not manage the momentum. And then after losing a few quick wickets, it was almost like they went into a shell and then just managed 251. There was some good hitting towards the end of that innings, but, that was perhaps not good enough. India coming back, started off really well. It was the hitman himself, Rohit Sharma, really leading by example, leading from the front. And then there was a slow period. And in the end, credit to New Zealand bowlers and their fielders that they kind of took this game all the way to the 49th over. But it was India that dominated in the end. So well done and congratulations, India. Waqar, where do you think it all opened up for India? Where was the turning point of this game?
I think Kuldeep was the key. I think when he came onto the attack and nobody was expecting. Even हम लोग भी बैठे हुए थे, हम लोग भी ये कह रहे थे. Kuldeep normally comes after sort of 20 overs or 25 overs. उसको early लाना एक surprise कर दिया उनको. I don't think even their openers were expecting Kuldeep to come. They were expecting Akshar maybe Jadeja or someone else, but not him. And I thought that was a real good move from Rohit Sharma. और उसने आते ही फिर जो 2 विकेटें निकाली. I know Rohit Sharma has been the sort of man of the match, but these two deliveries, this one, because इस time वो cruise कर रहे थे, और ये वाली. फिर उसके बाद विलियमसन की विकेट, जो कि की विकेट थी इस तरह की पिच पे, जैसा वो खेलता है. थोड़ा आज भी बात कर रहे थे हम लोग, तो यही और देखिए थोड़ा जल्दी कर गया. ये जो पुशिंग शुरू की थी ना इसने 3-4 इसके सिंगल बड़े आसानी से उस टाइम निकल रहे थे, तो वो थोड़ा ईज पे चला गया. तो जब ये उसकी गेम नहीं है, नॉर्मली ही टेक्स हिज टाइम. और एंड आई डोंट थिंक दे रियलाइज्ड कि ये वापस भी आ सकता है, बिकॉज एट दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम they were in control of the game. So I thought that first over, or first couple of overs from Kuldeep was a turning point.
Nikhil, today 73 overs bowled ever in a final by both the teams. It was spinners' day today, and you'd say that. Would you summarize it like that?
देखिए, स्पिनर्स का बोल बाला होना ही था. जिस तरीके से हम पहले मैच से दुबई की विकेट को देख रहे थे, थोड़ा सा गेंद रुक रहा था, कुछ मैचेस में ज़्यादा टर्न हो रहा था, लेकिन आज भी जिस तरीके से गेम चला है, साथ में जब पेस बॉलर्स को रन पड़ रहे थे, न्यूजीलैंड के बैट्समैन थोड़ा जोर से आ रहे थे, लेकिन अंत में आके स्पिनर्स गेम में लेके आए. देखिए 5-5 विकेटें भारतीय स्पिनर्स. इकॉनमी वो एक तरफ से विकेट गिरी, फिर वो रन बिल्कुल बनाने नहीं दिए, क्योंकि इंडिया फिर चेस कर रही थी. न्यूजीलैंड की 5 विकेटें इकॉनमी, क्योंकि आप जब ट्रॉफी की तरफ भाग रहे होते, बीच का एक जो फेज आया था, आई थिंक 10 ओवर में सिर्फ 28 रन ही बने थे, तो बिल्कुल ही वो रोक दिया था कि हमने यहाँ से नहीं आउट होना.